Hello, this is Pamela, and you are on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. I'd like to say welcome to my channel. Well, today's video is WIP Caddy Wednesday, and that is our works in progress. So I'm going to show you a little bit of what I'm working on today and a little slideshow of the things that you guys are working on today. So let's go ahead and get started. Just sit back and relax, grab you a cup of coffee, grab you something to drink, and just enjoy some good old yarny crochet talk, because that's what I'm bringing to you today. Okay, I'm drinking, I believe it's just breakfast blend coffee. I don't have any creamers or anything in this today. I need that this morning. Ooh, I need that this morning. Okay, so the one thing that I'm working on are some slippers. Some of my family members have ordered slippers from me, and so I made my mom's already. And if you saw yesterday's video, I was talking about how I had the wrong hook size. I had a 5.0 and it was supposed to be a 5.5. So my mom, I took them over there and I said, Mom, if they don't fit you, I'll make you some more and I'll just keep these. But they were just a tad bit bigger for me, but I could still wear them. And so she said she tried them on and they fit her. And so she's going to go ahead and keep them. And so my sister, or one of my sisters that has placed an order, she's placed an order for some red ones. And so I've got one of hers made. This is for you, Barbara. This is hers. And she has a pair of red pajamas that has like some little yellow flowers in it. It actually has like maybe some pink and purple in it as well. But we decided to put a little yellow flower on the front of hers. She loves the flowers, so she's getting a flower with hers. And it's been a while since I've made some for my family members. And so I had to go buy another pair that she previously owned from me. And so I think I did very good. Look at that. So I still have the touch. It's been a while since I've made these. And I used to have each one of my sisters and my mom, you know, I knew exactly how they wanted each one to fit them. And so it's been a while since I made them. So she loaned me a pair that I had made her previously, and just so I can compare it. And I'm really proud of myself because I did very well. But this is a small. She wears, I think, maybe a size 5, and this is a 4, 5, 6. And so it fits, it's about 8.5 inches. And I've got the right hook, the 5.5. So yeah, I'm going strong this morning, and I'm getting these made. For this pair right here, I'm using the Impeccable yarn on this. I'm just using red. That's what she ordered. And a couple of my other sisters have ordered red as well. And so I found that I had 2 skeins of these. And so I should be able to get, I mean, look how much I have left. And I've only made one part, or one slipper. I still have one more to make. I bet I can get 2 pairs out of this one. This was from, I believe it's loops and thread. I believe I got it at Michael's. And it's not the softest, to be honest with you, but when you wash it, it is. So that's good. Or I would not have made them if it wasn't going to wash up nice. It's kind of like the Red Heart yarn. Oh my gosh, the Red Heart yarn, it's horrible. But man, when you wash it, it is so soft and it feels good. Well, that's kind of the way this is. It reminds me of the Red Heart. Anyway, this is 100% acrylic. Let's go see how many yards this is. And okay, it's 285 yards on this. So we'll see if I can get 2. I'm not sure now that I know how many yards are on it, but we'll see. Or maybe I can get at least 1 pair and half of another, and then I can open up my other skein that I have and get a pair and half of another, and I'll get 3 out of, let's see, 1, 2, yeah, that'd be 3 out of 2 skeins. That'd be pretty cool, right? And if you missed yesterday's video, I talked about these right here. So I'm working on these, still selling them. I love carrots at Easter time in my home. So as you saw, I think I added it in the introduction here of the carrots. So I love the carrots. But go to my Etsy shop, guys, if you want to buy some of these. They're on there. So guys, as you know, I'm still working on the Oh my gosh, it's early. I'm still working on the temperature blanket. And this is what I have so far. And I'm working on 2 of these. And I haven't checked today's temperature, but I would not be surprised if we hit 80. So I'll be able to switch a color because we've been like the high 70s. And I think yesterday was even like 79. So hopefully today, like I said, I haven't looked at it yet. I would not be surprised if it's hit the 80 mark and I can switch colors. And the 80 on here, this is getting exciting. I'm starting to get into my warm colors. 80 will be this bright orange right here. Well, you can see it better right here. This is the 80s. That's the 90s. And red. I did red for the hundreds. Red hot. So that will be when I get in the hundreds, and that'll be later in the year, I guess. But yeah, I'm still working on these. I hope you guys that have joined are doing well on yours. And we're fixing to be rolling into April. And so I'll get to put another little black mark on there or black line. Oh, I don't know. For some reason, that reminded me of my sister Tanya. She has a birthday Friday, guys. So just in case I don't get another video out or something by Friday, I would love it if you guys would leave a comment and say, happy birthday, Tanya. Yeah, it's going to be her birthday Friday. And I asked her what she wanted for her birthday, and she wanted some of these books here from the Crochet Along. And so I ordered her some of those books, and she wants to start making the patterns and things like that. And so she was very excited to receive some of these books. Matter of fact, I need to order, let's see, I have 1, 2, 3. I've got to order, let's see, do I have to see 3, 4? Yeah, I've got to order book 5 and get started on it, maybe 5 and 6. And that way I can maybe order like 2 at a time or something. But anyway, I need to get on that. All right, guys. Besides the Crochet Along, the carrots. Oh, I am making something else on the side here. Let me show this to you. And it is so cute. Let's see, do I have the book down there? No, I don't have the book, but hold on. Let me look. Okay, this is the book I'm working out of. This was a gift from one of you subscribers, and I just want to say thank you so much. I love this book. I've actually made a few things out of this book already, but look at this stuff. It is so cute. Look at that. But the one thing that I want to make is I want to make a couple of these little girl dolls for my granddaughters right there, and I want to make, well, I thought I wanted to make this one, but I'm not sure. I may go ahead and make that one. I want this one, but with those clothes. But then I'm not sure if I want the Easter. But anyway, so what I am making is this right here. Let's see. Let me show you the front of it. Is that the best picture they got? Okay, here we go. So I said, there's got to be a better picture in here. I'm making this for the grandsons, so that they can have all these little pieces to play with. They are going to love it. The only thing is Charlie Mae is close to that age, and I'm afraid that she may want to play with it as well. So instead of just having the doll, so I might have to make her a set as well. I was trying to think of another food, that has little pieces like that. I know like a hot dog, you can do the hot dog in the bun, but it just doesn't have as many pieces as like this hamburger does. But of course, I guess I could make pickles and stuff to go on it maybe. I don't know. But it's so cool. I've made this before for my little niece, great niece actually, Jadelyn. Hi Jadelyn, in case you're watching. I love you, girl. That girl is so beautiful and so talented, and she's involved in so many things. The little girl loves to be active. And I think she's about 8 years old now. But she can dance, and I mean, there's nothing that girl can't do, actually. So I'm very proud of her. But this right here, I made this for her when she was little. I don't know if she still has it, because she was probably maybe 4 or 5 when I made that. But anyway, which is now it's time for me to make these for my grandkids. So anyway, I just want to say thank you. I can't remember exactly the person's name that sent this book to me, but I really appreciate it. And like I said, I've made several stuff out of here, and I really like this book. So that's what I'm working on right now. Let's see, I think I have, yeah, the top of the bun made there. You're not supposed to work in the, let's see, I think I was working this way. Yeah, you're not supposed to work in the back loop. It's just supposed to transition. But for some reason, I wanted to. Now I feel like it looks like a little mushroom or something. But I worked in the back loop on that. I don't know. I just felt like I wanted the colors to transition better. But now that I see it on video, I don't know. Anyway, so I'm working on that, and that's going to be a lot of fun. The kids are going to enjoy that. Okay, guys, let's go ahead and see what you guys are up to. Okay, here we have Doreen's. She says that she didn't have anything for this week except for her green V-stitch blanket and her 2 temperature blankets, so she thought she would start something new. She said that she started another blanket using scraps of yarn and red yarn, all half double crochet, using an 8mm, that's an L hook. She said it works up quick, and she is really liking the red. Well, I'm liking the red too. She said it's such a great feeling to use up yarn scraps. And she said to have a great rest of the week, Yarny friends, and it's so good to see new works in progress this week, and for everyone to keep up the great work. Well, you too, Doreen, thank you so much for sharing with us. It's beautiful. Okay, here we have Kimberly's, and I'm loving all this bright pink we have going on here. She said the first one is the Study of Planet Earth from the Crochet Crowd. She's using big twist in the colors hot pink, titanium, gray, white, cotton candy, and black. She says she's enjoying making this, and there's so many different stitches to keep you busy, and that she plans on making a matching pillow to go with it. Well, that's going to be nice. She said the second picture is of a unicorn cardigans that she's making for a friend's nieces, and the pattern is called A Child's Painted Canyon Cardigan by Heart, Hook, and Home. Only the second and third wearable she has ever made, and the white is Red Heart Super Saver, and the other colors are just leftovers that she has around the house. She said the cat in the back is Freddy Krueger. She doesn't move unless it's her idea. I hope everyone has a blessed week. Well, thank you so much for sharing with us, Kimberly. They are beautiful. Okay, here we have Diane's. She said that the first picture is the shawl that is the crochet along that we have going on my channel here. And I love your colors of the shawl, by the way. The second picture are soap sacks and washcloths that she's going to send to be Creative Grandma for her soap sack drive. Well, that's awesome. And the third picture is the Warm Up America blanket that is part of Bee Hooked annual project. And the fourth picture is the basket that she's making to hold some of her projects. Well, everything is just beautiful. Thank you so much, Diane, for sharing with us. Okay, here we have Anna's. Now, this is from the Mystery Crochet book, Crochet Along, that I have going on my channel. And she has made the cupcakes, and the shawl's almost done, and the book is finished. Wow, this is book 2, and man, everything looks lovely. I love your shawl color. The cupcakes look awesome, and I'm making mine this week. So I'm looking forward to that. Thank you so much, Anna, for sharing. Okay, guys, that is some really cool stuff. I just want to say thank you so much for submitting your projects and giving all of us ideas. We love them. I just want to say thank you very much. Okay, let's go ahead and read out of our daily devotion. Let me get my little specs on so I can see better. It's called Wide Awake. The one who watches over you will not slumber. That's Psalms 121, verse 3. Lights dimmed the hospital corridors. Machines whirled, stopping and starting. Now and then the beep of an alarm sounded. Nurses hurried in and out of patients' rooms without a sound. A mother sat next to a metal-framed hospital bed, her head bent. Shoulders heaved as gulping sobs rinsed from her soul. She held her daughter's hand covered with tape and tubes. After months of bedside grief, she didn't want to sleep. Even though every fiber asked for it, if she slept in the morning, her daughter might be gone. There are times in our lives when we desperately need sleep, but dread it. Our hearts fear what dawn might bring, and our minds cannot imagine the heart's upheaval a sunrise might present. So we force our eyelids awake, knowing beyond our night there might be life in another form. We fear what tomorrow's morning might bring. We agonize that we may need to learn to live again in a different way with sorrow's companionship. When the morning light filters in, we remind ourselves of this verse and know that God has not slept. He has been watching over us through the night. That's beautiful. What brings sleep and peace to you in times of fear? Wow, that is just beautiful. I hope that this helps some of you, and I know that that helps me. I love that. And yeah. So, well, guys, that's all that I have on this right here. That was a very good one, and I appreciate that one. So, and like I said, I hope that that helps some of you out there that are listening, that are going through some things. I hope that that verse has really helped you, or will really help you. Just, you know, pray about that and focus on that. All right, guys. Well, I guess that's really all that I have today. I'm fixing to head to the gym, do a little bit of workout, and, you know, trying to stay healthy and keep my blood pumping good and all that good stuff, and getting my steps and stuff like that in. And so, guys, don't forget, you need to do that, especially as crocheters, because it's easy to just find ourselves sitting and, you know, for a long period of time, we get so caught up in our crochet, and it's very important that we take little breaks. You know, get up, go to the bathroom, go get something else to drink, fill your cup up with water, pour you another cup of coffee, you know, anything to get your steps in. Go put the clothes in the dryer, you know, whatever it is you got to do. And yeah, that's all that I have for you guys. So I just want to say I love you. Thank you for subscribing to my channel, and thank you for supporting me in my channel. That's all. Just keep crocheting, live life, have fun, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.